This is MSK Entertainment Films and you're watching IELTS Tips and Tricks. Well, today we are going to talk about and discuss opinion essay, and in the end you will also look at a sample essay. But before starting, I want you to subscribe MSK Entertainment Films for more videos. So let's begin. So before starting that tutorial, I want to give you a detail that what we are going to discuss today. First we will discuss that how many paragraphs we are going to write for this essay. Then we will see that how to organize it and to achieve band 8 or 8 plus. And then we will also see that what should we write in the body paragraph of opinion essay, and then conclusion. And at the end of conclusion there will be a sample essay. So, how to write an opinion essay? There are various structures of writing the essay, but I will give you the one which is being recommended by the examiner. And that you will have to write introduction, then body paragraph 1, you will discuss the opinion 1, you will make an outline for opinion 1, then body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 2 you will write an opinion 2, and then the conclusion. One by one we will discuss these all steps and you will learn much from it. But remember, try to use vocabulary and so that you achieve a good balance. So in the introduction we will write a general statement regarding the question which is being given. After that we will paraphrase the statement, and then we will write the outline sentence. That is that this essay will discuss these two opinions, and then you can write in the end that according to me I suggest, or people suggest that this opinion is much better than the previous opinion or the last opinion. Next is the body paragraph 1. In body paragraph 1 we will first state the first opinion. Remember, try to use linkers whenever you are starting the introduction, because if you are using linkers the examiner will think that he or she is really good in writing an essay or a paragraph. I have seen some of the students, they use linkers, and because of the linkers they achieve 7 plus bands. In the beginning, if you write a good vocabulary, a good start, the examiner will definitely give you a band 8. Okay, so the second sentence and the third sentence, in the second and third sentence you will explain the reason, explain the opinion which you have written above in some different words. After that you can also give an example. The question will never tell you to give example, but you can give the example because it will lead to increase in number of words. After that you will conclude the paragraph, the one which you have already written. Then in the second opinion, second body paragraph, you will have to write the second opinion in the same way as you have written in the first body paragraph. Then you will start with linkers, and using good vocabulary you will move towards sentence number 3 and 4, where you will explain the second opinion in detail. Remember, to explain the opinion in detail will lead to number of words and also achieving the task. Next you will write the supporting idea or an example, that why this reason or why some other reason. You will have to give an example. After giving example you will say, hence because of this option this is recommended, or like you will have to summarize it. Next, you will write the conclusion. In the conclusion should not be more than 6 lines. So try to keep it in between 3 to 4 lines you can write. And in the end, you will say that according to me, or you can say one should always choose this over this. In further videos, or even in this video, I will tell you how to recognize or how to choose or how to write it. So remember, there are 4 reasons to plan the essay, because planning an essay is really essential before starting the essay. So first task is that once you plan the essay, it will save your time. If your time is saved, you will have a bigger window to write more. Then you will have to ensure that you have answered all the questions whatever the examiner have asked you. Most of the students leave one question behind, due to which they lose their bands. So remember, if you have much time, you will fully answer the question. Next, it is leads to better essay structure. The essay structure which I have recommended you, it has been approved by examiner. I am telling you again and again that it has been approved by examiner. Try to use it. And the most important is that if you use this structure, there will be fewer grammatical mistakes. If you have fewer grammatical mistakes, you will achieve your required score. So, how to write an opinion essay, and the typical wordings in which most of the students get confused are that if it's written, what is your opinion? So you will consider it that it is opinion essay. If it is said that do you agree or disagree, again the examiner is asking for opinion. And the last one is that to what extent do you agree or disagree? Remember, this is also an opinion. Okay, most of the students make 3 mistakes which are really common in almost every student. So let's look at it. They are not stating an opinion, like in the end they are not giving any opinion. Next is that you should explain, like you should give reasons in the body paragraph regarding both of the opinion which you are discussing, and always support your opinion with examples and by giving reason in detail. So as most of the students leave these things, their band decreases. They start getting negative bands. So planning, there are 3 points to plan the task. Decide on your opinion, like what option you have to choose. Next is that you should generate the ideas. Once you generate the ideas, it will be easy for you to write down the essay and the body paragraph. This is one of the most important step, that generate ideas, embellish it. And remember to use vocabulary, phrasal verbs. This will lead to increase in number of words as well as ideas and as well as bands. As most students are after bands, so definitely if they use vocabulary, they will achieve their goal. Okay, before moving to the sample essay, I want you to subscribe and press the bell icon for MSK Entertainment Films to watch more videos regarding IELTS tips and tricks. Okay, let's see what is the model essay. The question is this. You can read the question and then step by step we will move towards introduction and body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2 and conclusion. Okay, let's look at the introduction, how the introduction should be written. Okay, as you can see in the introduction, we start from the generic statement giving a general idea, then we move slowly towards our topic, and in the end one should give their opinion. Like it is written that one should believe that this motivation has more benefits than its drawbacks. So in the end, I've mentioned an opinion. Next we will move towards the body paragraph 1, where we will discuss the opinion 1. As you can see that there are a lot of vocabulary in there, and the start of the paragraph is really good. In between there are vocabulary like communicate, convincing, there is attitude, improved, diverse, arena, self-satisfaction, fulfillment, intuition, then patriotic feeling. These are the vocabularies which is being used in this body paragraph 1. Next we will move to the body paragraph 2. As you can see, again we have used a linker to start the body paragraph, and then we use an idiom, no roads without thrones, then competitive, circulum, peers. We have used different vocabulary. If you use vocabulary, your band will improve. Next is a conclusion. Conclusion is in 3 to 4 lines. You should also write your conclusion in 3 to 4 lines. I hope you liked the video. Kindly subscribe MSK Entertainment Films for more videos and tutorials.